What the fuck? Today was supposed to be the big reveal. Bandit! Bandit! No. Why? And it's fucking raining. It never rains. I live in California. Why is it raining? Well, it's not raining now, but it's wet. Ugh. This just keeps getting worse. I just revealed the fucking truck in the first clip! Bandit! What am I gonna do? Huh? Bandit. Oh, now she don't even want to listen to me? She's annoyed that I revealed it? Well, I don't have the editing skills to do anything about that, or make that go away, or blur it. What's today? What is today? I need a calendar. Phone. Today is, let's see. August 2nd. It was my birthday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago. And I got this. Not you. I got the GoPro. And I wanted to... God damn it. I wanted to vlog about stuff. And I just dicked it up because I can't edit. There's a rip in my pants. And dog shit on my foot. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Maybe I should just, like, try and shim in the reveal. How's that? Kudos to anyone that can guess what this is from a startup. Stock exhaust. Muffler, my bad. It was a bad idea. Did anyone guess? Look. That was a mistake. I got breathe. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Alright, here it is. It's a 98 Toyota 4Runner Limited. I don't even know why I'm looking over my shoulder, but I just did. Maybe I think there's someone in that window, but I doubt it. They're probably at work, like they should be. What the fuck is this? Why do I roll around on the floor for you guys? This sucks. I thought this was supposed to be fun. So the 4Runner. Inherit it from my wife. Inherit it? I can't even talk. See, okay, wait. Let's start from the beginning. I thought I'd start vlogging and or create a YouTube channel because you can't fuck things up. There's no script and there's no rules per se. You just do whatever you want. And I'm not gonna lie, I've practiced a couple of times and I suck at this, okay? So I'm really sorry if we get off to a shaky start. I don't really mean to. Sorry, I see the light and it was bugging me. I don't mean to, but you know, I'm a noob and shit happens. The clock doesn't work. I need to fix it. The AC does work, but I'm a man and only need it sometimes. So, let's see. 98 4Runner, Pioneer stereo. The old one sucked. Automatic gears. 4-wheel drive. Lock-in rear differential. Fog lights. Power windows. Power doors. Broken cup holder. Good cup holder. eBay cup holder. 3M tape is your friend. Alright, so it's brown and there's a lot of space and potential for a lot of fun. So now you've seen the truck, you've heard it start up, you've seen me gas myself, you know I'm not very good at this. Oh, god damn it, I just missed it. This is broken too. It doesn't go up and down. It just makes a weird noise in here that I'll attempt to fix, but probably screw that up too. Shut up. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, this is bad. No! Dogs! Let me in! Let me in! Oh, this sucks. Okay. Wait here. Don't leave. I had to go in through the window. That sucked. How did I do that? I locked myself out.